So I have the old big dump truck behind me. I got Roger from our area here. He's gonna clear out some of these old Scotch pine that we've been wanting to clear out. So finally getting some of this stuff moved today. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to video because Autumn and I have to hit the road. We're gonna see one of our uncles that we rarely see. He's a really cool guy. He's been a great uncle to her, so we're gonna take time to do that. But anyways, we're gonna get some excavating of these trees, get some of these removed out of the way. So this is some of the ones that we're wanting to get removed. So then we have possibly room to do a barn over here, better parking, and they're just kind of a junk tree anyways. We're gonna get some of these cleared out along the driveway over here. All right, here's this row taken out. Maybe put a shed here, maybe get some more gravel up on there for a better driveway, maybe plant a little more grass through there. That's not gonna stay there, I don't think. I think he just left that being nice. It's just a little bench we put on there once. And this is where the trees were at along this garage here, pole barn garage. A lot more room now down through here. There's probably a total of close to 150 trees in that. Here's one of the food plots we've been spreading some manure in. Gonna let settle in here for a little bit, and we'll disc it in and plant something here in the fall.
So we're here at the ranch, and Josh got a toy. Well, I don't know if you'd really call this a toy, but I think he's just like a little kid in a dirt box trying to clean stuff up. He got a rake on the back of his tractor, a 7-foot rake. And now he's just been out here playing all day. We removed 150 trees. They were Scotch pine. They were really, most of them are dead. So we removed them, and now we're getting ready for our projects. We have some projects coming up. He already leveled all of this out. We've got the Godzilla here. It's the one that hauled the rake home. And we've got the blue truck here from college, and we have the other, the Beast, the F-150, the 2021. So we're a Ford family. He looks pretty happy out here, out in his play box. Like a big dirt box, like a little kid. Alright, you're out here having fun. What are you doing?
This is where we cleared about 150 of those Scotch pines up along the driveway so we could have more room to pass each other, turn around up in there, maybe more parking. And
Future projects.
this part here had the Scotch pine. They're just kind of a junk pine, and then this allows us to clear snow a little easier instead of going all the way around, more of a straight shot. And then also hoping for a future barn to be born there.
A barn to be born. So how are you smoothing all this out? What'd you do
We're
today?
using the York Rake to help pull up all this debris.
Is this new to the family?
Help level out the humps. We picked this up earlier today in Midland, and it's a JL Landworks made in the USA implement. 8-foot York Rake.
Is it 7 foot?
8 foot.
Oh, it's 8 feet?
I'm sorry, 7 foot.
I was gonna say, I didn't even know. So how's it working for you so far?
It seems to be pretty good so far. Better than raking by hand.
Lots better.
So.
All right, hey, that's a cool cup you got there with the Adventure Road sticker.
Yeah.
There you
Like
go.
and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. All right, well, thanks for watching. I guess you can get back to work there.
Yep. All right, everybody, thanks for watching our tree clearing video. So this is the driveway, and then we had I brought in some top soil, brought in 9 yards, and seeded it. Now I'm praying for a little bit of rain. I'll show you this. We're gonna put a little bit of gravel from there on over, and then the rest just kind of seeded that up. Try to get a little more grass growing on there, and it made this driveway a bit wider, so we didn't have those tree branches up over our vehicles and things like that on this side. So this is the area that I ran the York Rake pretty heavy, got a lot of the brush put way in that big pile back there. And here's the York Rake. These are kind of nice too. It's on their own stands. There's some of the wood that we had milled from a pine tree back here that fell. Anyways, that's the JL Landworks York Rake, Midland, Michigan. Found it on Marketplace. It's July 16th. We hope everybody's having a great July. Summer is flying by. It's been pretty comfortable up here for the month of July. Started off May and June, hardly any rain. We were pretty much in a drought. I'm glad I didn't plant any spring food plots for right now. I'm gonna try to do one here in a couple weeks. Autumn and I are gonna be making a trip, and I want to get those food plots planted before we head on our trip. So anyways, I gotta catch up with her. We're super busy. We hope you guys are having a great summer, and create your own story today. Black skies, hopefully it drops a little bit of rain on this grass seed I planted. So God bless, have a great day.